Instagram has dropped a new app for text posts that is a great alternative to Twitter. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the Threads app and show you how to use it. Now let's get started. First, you need to download the app in App Store or Google Play Store. When you first open Threads, you'll be prompted to sign in using your existing Instagram account. From there, you can set up your Threads profile with your name, profile picture, and bio. You can also import your profile data from your Instagram page to make things easier. Then, tap Next. Now you can choose whether you want your Threads profile to be public so anyone can see it, or private so only your followers can see your posts. This setting is separate from your regular Instagram account. Then, tap Join Threads. Now that you're ready to start using Threads, you'll be taken to the home feed. Here, you'll see posts and replies by accounts you follow, as well as trending Threads posts. If you see a post you like, you can tap the heart icon to like it, just like you would on Instagram. Tap the message bubble to add a reply to a thread. To repost a thread, tap the circle of arrows. You can repost a thread as is or quote it to attach your own comment before reposting. If you tap the share icon, you can add a thread to your Instagram story, share it on Twitter, copy a link to the post, or share it in a text message or another messaging or social media app. If you tap the search button, you'll be taken to the Threads search page where you can search for people or topics you'd like to see threads about. If you find a profile you want to check out, you can tap their name to go to their page, follow the account, and check out their posted threads and replies. To share a Threads post, tap the new post icon in the bottom menu. Now you can type in what you'd like your post to say. The Threads character limit is 500, so you have a decent amount of space to share your thoughts. You can mention your friends in Threads just like you would in a caption on Instagram. You can also tap the paperclip icon to attach photos or videos from your camera roll. If you'd like to limit who can reply to your thread, you can choose from options like allowing anybody, only people you follow, or only accounts you've tagged in your thread. When you're ready to share your thread, tap Post. You can easily share your new thread to your Instagram story for people to see there. If someone views your story on Instagram, they can tap the thread to be taken to your post in the Threads app. Tap the heart icon in the bottom menu to view your Threads notifications, including likes, replies, mentions, and new followers. Tap the profile icon to check out your personal Threads page, where you'll be able to see your bio information, posted threads, and replies. You can easily edit your profile here by tapping the Edit Profile button, just like on Instagram. That's a wrap on our overview of the Threads app. We believe Threads is a fantastic addition to Instagram's lineup, providing a fresh alternative for text-based posts. With its seamless integration, intuitive interface, and the ability to connect with like-minded individuals, Threads opens up new avenues for sharing and engaging with content. We can't wait to see how this app evolves and what exciting features Instagram has in store for us next. Let us know your thoughts on the new Threads app in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Peace.